Hello guys, Echo Senator 07 and we're back to another reaction video. We can do that too. Try not to laugh again. Yeah, try not to laugh challenge. But this time we're gonna start to the Pinoy funny moments, because there's a more epic failed pranks and so much more. There is a call. Oh yeah, this must be from the Pinoy, okay? So that's why I had to do it from the Pinoy. So that's why I wanted, because I'm a Pinoy too. So remember this episode, okay? Remember on try not to laugh. Alright, so there will call, biruin nyo na lahat. Wag lang yung taong puyat. Yeah, I can do that Pinoy, okay? So, yeah, so you don't know about the Pinoy, okay? So, for now, give me a loud count. There we go. Okay. So for now, we're gonna start to, because it only was in... We're gonna start to 90 minutes because I'm gonna keep a shortcut so it doesn't count. But I'm not loud. If I loud or not, just let us know. So for now, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Whoops. I was messed up, okay? But however, Fredbear will start for the next episode. Yeah. He's busy at the pizzeria, but don't worry. He's working a job. Still working at the stage. Performer. Alright, let's get a start. Here we go. Alright, we're not doing it laugh this time. Don't laugh.
Inagaw biglang Mike Nicosa. Akala niya duet sila.
Oh no.
May lihim na pagnanasa pala.
Oh, yo! No! No, don't say that! Guys, don't say that! Don't say it!
Yung
No,
nagpahirap
no.
ka para
Oh my
guminhawa
God.
sana ang pakiramdam mo. Kaso lalo lang uminit ang ulo mo.
Sana po sila, bakit daw po yung ginawa niyo yung ginawang aircon?
Wait, what?
Pinapawid. Pwede hindi lumalamig.
Is that a cooler fan?
Ewan nyo, no?
It's not...
Ewan ko yung ginawa niya, tama po ba? Ano nga po talaga?
Is that a
Ang
wrong
init
one?
na nga ng panahon, sumabay pa si kuya. Binigyan mo pa ng obligasyon para maghanap.
Oh my god.
Hindi excuse ang gutom para sumalisi sa oras ng panalangin. Kaya ibalik mo lahat yan.
Hey! No. Yeah.
Sorry.
Pinangarap
It is
naman
sorry,
ni Ale
yes.
na maging Tarzan. Kaso nung lumanding,
She's doing okay. She's doing fine. Are you... Oh my god! Are you okay, ma'am?
ang bilis ng pag-setup nila kay Badong. Walang kaalam-alamang kumag. Ginawa siyang mami.
No! Oh my god, I saw this video.
Naipit naman sa mahirap na sitwasyon itong si Oscar. Gusto niya sanang mag-report.
No!
Kaso patay mali siya na lang.
No! Why?
Grabe ang init
Why?
niya. Para na rin na kuryente.
Gamay lang pre, kay busog pa ko. Okay. Kainit ato eh.
Yan ang tinatawag
Okay,
nilang
I'm good with
audience
that.
impact. Lakas ng aura. Tila may sumpang flying kiss ng bata.
Lah engkau denganku.
You might get slide down, man, kid.
Yung mga checkpoint na
Is
yun
that
na
count what I
hinatay,
said?
kuya. Parang makukonsensya ka pa kapag hinuli mo.
Oh. No speed rim. No speed limit. Just keep walking.
Mindset ba? Mindset?
Malakas din ang tama sa utak ng isang ito. Hindi na naman nakainom ng gamot. Only rice, meron dyan. Hindi sabaw.
Yeah.
Kahit siguro yung nagpack niyan.
Boy.
Tawang-tawa.
Choking! Ano to? Ano na? Choking!
No!
Ang patiwatawat.
No! No! Oh my god, I put the censored on this on the background. Why? Ah! Why? I thought it was a gun. It must. I cannot try to say this. Oh my god, go see for yourself. Oh my. Why? Ah. Why would you do that?
Hindi na naniniwala sa sinasabi mo. Ano pa bang proseso ang kailangang gawin?
Natin pabilisin ang proseso. Paano natin pabilisin ang proseso?
He's getting struck in the
Kulang
flag.
lang, ganitong klase mga processing plant kaya ng sa bigas, kagaya sa palay, yung value added, hawakan nyo nga ito. Binabatok-batukan na ito.
Buti na lang, walang sakit sa puso si ate. Pati kaluluwa niya, napalundag sa kaba. Ayun na mga suki, may demo pa yan. Subok na matibay.
This must be
Cellphone
unbreakable.
ni Budoy, iba na yung nasagot niya sa mga games maaasahan. Pero nga
Roblox.
sa eskwelahan.
Robot Minecraft. Hammer. Win straight. Star. Okay. Scatter cards.
Lalo mo lang pinahirap
What?
ang sitwasyon.
Why na the
Pwede pa
Minecraft?
yan, konting hugas lang.
Oh! No! No!
Yung tirik sana yung araw, para naman magmukhang totoo. Mukhang ibang panata yan, boss.
What? I don't get it.
Pati si Whitey, hindi na mapigilang umindak sa kantang ginawa ng mga Kanto Boys.
Oh my god! Look at them go! Yeah, get it, boy! Must be a girl or boy, I don't know.
Congrats sa'yo, Brad. Sa wakas, magiging tatay
Oh
ka
my
na.
god, no. I knew it! I knew it was a boy! Why?
Bakit kaya ang
Ay, sorry, I was
feeling
at that,
kapag
okay.
bata ang pinagtitripan?
He's doing jump scare.
Malamang, hindi na ulit babalik ang mga yan.
Ooga booga!
Ibang level na to. Pinalo pa yung bagong kasal sa kaswitan.
Ah!
Ilang minuto.
No! Oh!
yan.
Oh! Oh god! Oh! Oh my god! Oh, I'll be right back! Dude, why? Why? Oh my! Why? Why? No! Why? Oh my god. Never gonna show that. Please. Ugh. My God. Alright, let's go to continue. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my God, I almost got puking. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. Alright, continued.
Tinaig pa yung vacuum cleaner. Walang kawala.
Hey, it's a frog. Just gonna eat it. Eat it.
Busog na yata.
Nom nom. That was so quick.
Tanghaling
Okay.
tapat, may white lady. Muntik nang maging kwento si Pakundo.
Oh. 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 Oh my God.
Abay ayos, pati
Okay.
processing food, pinasok na
Okay,
ng Honda.
she's doing
Anong
fine.
gamit pang luto dyan? Engine oil?
Honda.
Why? Excuse me. Honda? What?
Hotdog. Gawang Honda.
Kahit si Undok, hindi makapaniwala. May sumabit bigla.
Dengan ku hitar.
Go on.
Dengan ka lang.
Inikosa, nagmukha tuloy laruan yung bike sa kanya.
Oh my God.
Matirang matibay, walang kikilos ng masama. Baka nahihiya lang ang mga yan.
Okay, come on. Slow down. What?
Coi bố video xíu vào được.
Good news,
Ha?
natuloy din ang outing. Bad news, puro kanin ang dalang baon.
More rice. More rice? So many rice everywhere. Oh my God, that's a lot of rice.
Speaking of kanin, eto, black rice, baka trip nyo. Mga mayayaman lang ang kumakain yan.
What do you guys think? Oh, they turned into a black rice. Crispy. But they're burned.
Anong klaseng mix and match naman
Oh.
yan? Binigyan mo pa ng palaisipan, yung cashier.
Magkano tong ano te?
What?
Tong dognat.
Nainip na sila.
Oh my
kakapatay
God!
Sa mga sasakay. Ang tagal daw kasing mapuno ng jeep.
No, thank you.
Pambihira.
No, thank you.
Nagpakita ka lang ng talent. Muntik ka pang mabalian ng spinal cord.
Fredberg gonna see this watching this video, but I no never. Oh, what a good time! Oh, ooh,
Hindi uso ang yakay Lodi.
Ow!
Medyo naguluhan lang ako sa transformation niya. Hindi
Okay.
ko alam kung seizure o zombie na.
oh no. Nice!
Diba?
Eto na yata ang pinakamalupit sa lahat. Mura lang yung mga piyesang ginamit. Wag lang sanang
Was that
titiri.
wait? Was that a doorbell?
Ano mga tinatawag na sobrang angas?
Was that a doorbell? Oh my!
Mukhang kabisado na ni Kuya Ryder ang mga ganitong galawan.
Oh my
Basta
God!
matukso. Galit ang nanaig.
Shopee?
Shopee.
Kuya, wala po kasi ako sa bahay eh. Ba't ganyan po kayo magsalita, ma'am? Ano ba? Ano kuya?
Fredbear, please do not watch this, okay?
Yan ang mga totoong kaibigan.
Don't watch
Imbis
it,
na magalit,
please.
Tatawanan ka lang.
Oh no. Kahit ano, basta kayo. Oh my god. Well,
Tinuring
that's
mo
sad.
siyang kaibigan, pero binalasubas ka naman. Galit na galit si ate. Mukhang may tatamaan.
Sira ang buhay mo.
Well, did you put the lemonade?
Tamang teknik para
Oh
kahit
my
umalis
God.
ka, hindi ka masalisihan. Kaso, mautak sa'yo yung kalaban.
Nah!
A few moments later.
Oh no.
Mas maigi na to, kaysa magbantay ka maghapon.
Mindset to, mindset.
Grabe, ang lakas ng toyo. Manang-mana
Oh.
sa nanay.
Oh, no.
Hindi umubra ang bagsik ng tatay.
Oh. What are you going to do? Oh. Oh no. No. Oh my god.
Magpapa sa inyo, nakarecord kayo. Sabay-sabay dapat kayong malasing.
What?
Nakaikot no. Ayan. Listahan yan eh. Ikaw na lang wala eh.
Oh, try to...
Dynamite
Drink
drive ang
count?
tawag dyan. Maigpit na ipinagbabawal yan.
Oh, no.
Madadamay ang
No.
maliit na isda.
No! You might be kidding. Okay, I thought it was a hit that over there. Back to reverse, so...
Huwag mong ikaiya. Ang mahalaga, nakatulong ka naman.
Yeah, that cat is doing... Oh, there we go. Okay, okay.
Walang kaalam-alam si kuya.
Lo,
May
medyo
paparating
muna
na
there's
disgrasya.
Hingal ka lang.
Oh!
Nagtataka siguro sila. Ang init ng panahon. Biglang
Okay.
bumuhos ang malakas na ulan.
Yung naboboring ka sa kanyang buhay mo, kaya nag-trip na lang.
Hindi mamatay-matay. Baka naman
Don't do
immortal
this,
yung lolo
guys.
mo.
Wala kayo sa lolo ko. 88 years old na siya namatay. Yung lolo ko, 98 years old na namatay. Sus, wala pala mga lolo niya eh. Yung lolo ko, sa sobrang tanda niya, kami na pumatay.
Samantala, walang magawa
Oh
ang
my
tito. Kaya kung ano-ano ang pumapasok sa isip.
Okay, okay.
Well, advance na ngayon.
Proud single,
Paglabas ng bata,
batang
may
ina.
ngipin na agad. Mukhang
No.
sariwa pang lahat kay nanay.
No.
Hindi pa siya nakamove on.
Anong pangalan ng ex mo?
Joshua.
Joshua?
Anong message mo kay Joshua?
Joshua, akin ka na lang ulit, eh.
Sana all.
Malapit nang mabaliw si ate, pero
Aha.
mahirap pa rin na swerte.
Okay. Oh my god! She threw in the bag!
Sana all na lang
The
talaga.
backpack.
Buti pa sila, natuloy na ang outing. Kami hanggang GC na lang.
Uy, sana all.
Oh my god! Whee!
Sana all ligtas.
Oh, woo!
Kahit hindi ka marunong
Yung
lumangoy,
natuloy na
ang
swimming nyo.
importante, natuloy ang
What?
swimming nyo.
Pero hindi naman na marunong lumangoy. Oh, I remember I was young! That's why!
Siya lang yung nakakaintindi.
Oh my God, I
Kailangan
remember
mo
that.
Brad,
I will
para
never
masigla.
forget. Oh, this one is a funny. I love this one.
First time mong mag-roller skate, kaso mukha kang na-stroke. Mabuti pa, mag-zumba ka na lang.
Oh yeah, I'm not a good skating in real life, but I'm not.
Ano ba yan? Ang ganda na sanang tignan. Kain muna, baka gutom pa kayo.
Oh my
Ang layo
god.
na ng nilakbay ni Kosa. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin siya nakakarating. Naku,
Oh my-
lugi ka
I
dyan.
heard that
Yung
from the
sa kanya,
Squid Game,
kanyo.
the
Yung
Squid
sa'yo,
Game
ihi
2.
ng aso.
Kinda.
Well, sinagad na yung pasensya mo ng init. Kaya immune ka na rin sa lamig.
Oh,
Buti na lang
no.
madiskarte si tropa.
Why?
Palag na ako sa init na yan.
Mindset to, mindset.
Di na ako natatakot sa init na yan.
Malamang, nag-overthink na yung tao. May kasalanan ka rin. Ang tagal mo daw kasing bumalik.
Anong mukha mo? Apat na taon mo akong girl. Tapos ano? Iiwan mo ako nang wala kang kasabi?
Bumili lang ako ng yosi sa labas eh.
What?
Masama ba yun?
Muli, maraming salamat.
Oh my god. Okay, so first of all, this is one of my favorite part. Oh my god. I cannot try to say this one is the most favorite part. Oh my god. So I think must be I don't have any more lab yet. Alright. You know what? We should end it now the video. We already but I didn't laugh, but it was kinda how many I laughed I got. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, we should down the end in the video. So for now, thank you guys for watching for more episodes. We're gonna do this again on Try Not to Laugh. But I will do this again. You know what? I'm gonna make more another animation again. Another one, but don't worry, I will never forget. Woo! Alright then. I will do this again on I wanna do the more challengers again, or I wanna do that again, or I don't know. But please, Fred Persia, do not watch this. This must be from the Pinoy, okay? You don't know this one, okay? Don't watch. I swear. Please. Don't say that right now, okay? Oh my god. Oh my god. I almost... That last time before. Oh my god. Don't forget like the video and subscribe on YouTube channel. So we're going next video. Goodbye everyone.